Standard operating procedures, or SOPs, are the backbone of any well-functioning electrical workshop. They provide a clear roadmap for handling tasks, ensuring consistency and efficiency. In the demanding marine environment, where reliability is paramount, SOPs are not just helpful, they're essential. They keep things running smoothly. They also minimize downtime and prevent costly repairs. Good SOPs are like a good pre-flight check. They make sure everything is squared away before you take off. A well-defined set of SOPs ensures that everyone on the team is on the same page. This leads to better communication and quicker problem solving. SOPs also play a crucial role in training new personnel. They provide a structured learning process and help maintain a high standard of work. Think of SOPs as the playbook for the electrical team. They spell out the plays for every situation. Clear SOPs are especially important when dealing with complex electrical systems. They help to minimize errors and ensure that all work is carried out safely and effectively. They also help to track maintenance activities and identify areas for improvement. Think of it like a recipe for success. Follow the steps and you'll get the results you want. SOPs are like that. In the marine industry, where conditions can be harsh and unpredictable, SOPs provide a critical layer of protection. They help to prevent accidents and ensure the safety of both personnel and equipment. They are the safety net that keeps everyone from falling. They are the guardrails on a winding road. They keep things on track. Corrective actions are the procedures followed when something goes wrong. This could be anything from a minor malfunction to a major breakdown. The first step is always to identify the problem. This might involve troubleshooting, diagnostics, or simply listening to the customer's complaint. Think of it like detective work. You have to gather the clues before you can solve the case. Once the problem is identified, the next step is to develop a plan of action. This plan should outline the steps needed to fix the problem and prevent it from happening again. It's like drawing up blueprints for a repair. You need a plan before you start swinging the hammer. This plan should be clear, concise, and easy to follow. Implementing the corrective action involves putting the plan into motion. This might involve replacing parts, repairing wiring, or recalibrating equipment. It's important to follow the SOPs carefully to ensure that the repair is done correctly. Think of it like surgery. Precision and attention to detail are crucial. Finally, the repair needs to be tested and verified. This confirms that the problem has been fixed and that the equipment is functioning correctly. It's like giving the patient a checkup after surgery. Make sure everything is healing properly. This final step is crucial for ensuring the long-term reliability of the equipment. Preventive actions are all about stopping problems before they start. This involves regular maintenance, inspections, and monitoring of equipment performance. Think of it like regular checkups at the doctor. A little preventative care can save you a lot of trouble down the road. These actions are crucial for maximizing equipment lifespan and minimizing downtime. A planned maintenance system, PMS, is the cornerstone of preventive maintenance. This system outlines a schedule of regular inspections and tasks to be performed. It's like a calendar for your equipment. It tells you when it's time for a tune-up. This helps to ensure that all equipment is properly maintained and that potential problems are identified early. Monitoring unit performance is another important aspect of preventive maintenance. This involves tracking key metrics like temperature, voltage, and current. It's like keeping an eye on the vital signs of your equipment. Any unusual readings could indicate a developing problem. This allows for early intervention and prevents minor issues from escalating into major failures. Routine checks are the bread and butter of preventive maintenance. This involves simple tasks like checking battery health, inspecting wiring, and cleaning components. It's like giving your equipment a regular cleaning and inspection. A little bit of care can go a long way. These seemingly small tasks can prevent a surprising number of problems. Section 4. Practical tips and safety measures. Safety is paramount in any electrical workshop, especially in the marine environment. Always follow proper lockout/tagout procedures before working on any electrical equipment. This isolates the equipment from the power source, preventing electrical shocks. Think of it like putting a safety on a gun. It's a simple step that can prevent serious injury. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including insulated gloves, safety glasses, and protective footwear. These items provide a barrier against electrical hazards and protect you from potential harm. Think of it like wearing armor in battle. It protects you from the dangers of the job. Maintain a clean and organized work environment. This not only improves efficiency but also reduces the risk of accidents. A cluttered workspace is a dangerous workspace. Keep things tidy and you'll be safer. Keep things clean and you'll be more efficient. Ensure that all electrical equipment is properly grounded. This provides a path for electrical current to flow safely to the ground, preventing shocks and damage to equipment. It's like giving lightning a safe place to strike. It protects your equipment and keeps you safe. Section 5. Conclusion: ensuring efficiency and safety. Both corrective and preventive actions are essential for maintaining optimal equipment performance and ensuring safety in a marine electrical workshop. Corrective actions address problems after they occur, while preventive actions aim to prevent problems from happening in the first place. Think of it like fighting a fire. Corrective actions are putting out the flames. Preventive actions are preventing the fire from starting. By following established SOPs, technicians can work efficiently and effectively, minimizing downtime and maximizing the lifespan of equipment. SOPs are the key to a smooth-running operation. They keep things on track and prevent costly mistakes. They are the foundation of a successful electrical workshop. A well-maintained electrical system is crucial for the safe and reliable operation of any vessel. By prioritizing both corrective and preventive maintenance, marine engineers can ensure smooth sailing and avoid costly repairs. It's like keeping your car in good condition. Regular maintenance keeps it running smoothly and prevents breakdowns. By implementing these strategies and embracing a culture of safety, marine electrical workshops can ensure the highest levels of performance and reliability, keeping vessels operating smoothly and safely on the open water. It's about more than just fixing things. It's about keeping things running. It's about ensuring safety and efficiency. It's about making sure that the ships can sail.